In this tutorial, you will be learning about neurographic art. Neurographika is based off the psychological method created by Russian psychologist Pavel Piskarov. Pavel calls it the art of world transformation and positive change. Neurographica captures how the inner being reacts to the outside world. The idea is that it visually can transform our fear, chaos, and other feelings into something calming and peaceful. The first step to creating this type of art is to think about your current life. What kind of challenges are you facing? It can be any area of discomfort, concern, or stress that you wish to find peace in. Choose a dark drawing material like a black permanent marker or pen. Focus on the subject in your mind and scribble for 3 long seconds, moving your arm freely to fill your paper. Again, think about that challenge or stress in your life and see which types of lines you can create. If any lines appear to stop abruptly or do not extend off the edges of your paper, continue them off the page. The next step is the transformation. Start to round out any corners or intersections. The law of attraction states that you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. By rounding the corners, you will start to transform your image and hopefully your reality, changing the cause of your stress into something positive and beautiful. As you are working on this, you may find yourself becoming caught up in the moment. The whole purpose is to find that sort of meditative state, to forget your worries and find your inner peace. Once you have rounded out all of your corners and intersections, the next step is to add additional lines to enhance your design. Think about adding balance to your composition. This is a metaphor to show that you are in complete control of the challenge in your life. You can add as many lines as you wish and then round out those corners as well. Neurographica connects science with art. So a neuron is a cell that carries messages between the brain and body as the basic unit of our central nervous system. Graphics are the artistic uses of pictures, words, and shapes. Neurographic art can be left black and white, but we will be adding color. You can use watercolor paints, colored pencils, pastels, or anything else you have to add color. I recommend you use 3 or more colors for variety, regardless of the art medium you choose. Experiment with adding values from light to dark in your shapes. You may even layer and blend more than one color together. Once you finish, reflect on the process and the product. Ask yourself, did you enjoy the process? How did you feel when making it? And how do you feel now? There are so many different ways to do neurographic art by choosing various drawing and painting materials. Just experiment and enjoy the process. This was a Hammer Time production. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.